the baddest. The baddest thing this. Hear that? Hear Rashkamar? Arm on it. Yeah.
Poverty a heartbreaker, so me get up every day, hustle for the paper. Me a do it now, wait till later. Cause me life is rougher than me granny greater. I feel young for the food, put in on the plate, yeah. Nobody now bring it to me like a waiter. Put me faith in the creator. Him say one day.
Catch this. Hear Rashkamar?
Even though me life hard, never stop till me get the reward. Me have to win cause I got in charge. Yeah, I. And when time me need and win, nah give up, no me nah go retreat. Tell myself that me must reach the peak. Yeah, I. Me born poor, but I know so me a stay, me a work so me can get me back. Laziness, knowing I'm in the NS, so you not see me beg nobody. Okay, a long time then I could have go astray, but never fall about company. A lot of obstacles in my way, so me practice, me jump every day. Cause even though me life hard, now go stop till me get the reward. Me have to win cause I got in charge. Yeah, I. When time me need and win, now give up, no me now go retreat. Tell myself that I must reach the peak. Yeah, I. The road to success no straight. More time say hard for me navigate, but me not go in reverse. Cause money have to go in on me mother purse. And me youth have to take care of, so me more focus on me as it clearer. Until the day me die, me not stop so to get up and try. Even though me life hard, nah go stop till me get the reward. Me have to win cause I got in charge. Yeah, I. When time me need and win, nah give up, no me nah go retreat. Tell myself so me must reach the peak. Yeah, I. Me life hard, now go stop till me get the reward. Me have to win cause I got in charge. Yeah, I. When time me need and win, now give up, no me now go retreat. Tell myself so me must reach the peak. Yeah, I.
Some music you feel good here. Yeah. Mama say, yo, are the baddest.
Next tune.
Where's the next? Oh, don't play again. Don't stop it. What do you want, Catch? You can get up and try. Catch, get up and try. Yeah.
If God say Him not gonna help you if you don't help yourself, tell me why should I? You have to get up and try. Hey, oh you want a check, but you know I'm what's I say. Oh you feel reach far, but you know what's I say. So tell me what you expect. If you go fit mine and you come with the one them a stretch. Oh yes, you're not free for a breast fall. Each of a people like an insect. Then up the nurse we turn round and get vexed when me tell us me no have no more left there. Nobody see no more so high. Life so hard and the bills them a get so high. If you not get up and try, oh you a gonna get by. You think a little bit of tears never cry. Every day me pray to the Most High. Never sit down and wait for one to give me blind. Me get up and aim for the sky. Full time me get the breakthrough. So me a press gas, me no want see breakthrough. You a drive too slow, me overtake you. Go and sleep, me nah go wake you. But make sure when the money start piling up, nobody come over, you so come smile up. Me same one you used to style up. When me clothes them style up, jump. Life's so hard and the bills them a get so high. If you not get up and try, oh you a go get by. You think a little bit of tears never cry. Every day me pray to the Most High. Never sit down and wait for one to give me blind. Me get up and aim for this big part now. La da di, la da da. You a be worthy where you want. Nobody sit down with your hand on your jaw. And wait for mama on the jaw. La da da, la da di. Me have to support me family. Oh, them a go eat when me give you me money. Money no grow up on tree. Jump. Nobody sit down and ask so high. Life so hard and the bills never get so high. If you don't get up and try,
oh, you are gonna get by.
yeah.
You think a little bit of tears will cry.
Tears are crying. Make it up and aim for the sky. La da da, work the way you want. Hey, oh me, oh man, you have to get up and try. Nobody sit down and cry. Nobody wait for one to give you blind. Oh me, oh man, you have to get up and try.
Yeah, we are bad people. Hold on.
You better get up and try.
Walk on. Give that piece of life over there.
Yo, me have something. Me say we have something. I just don't want to leak it.
Go for a light back here. I shine.
Right back on me.
Yeah,
I just
you're good.
say all the time.
That's why I me get up over there, son.
Oh, you're smart.
Tell them say your life over death. Cause I don't never leave my side. Him guide me every step. So when the enemy arise, tell them life over death. Cause I don't never leave my side. Hey. Pay attention to the first verse. Enough time me feel like me life for the worst. But from me no day under the dirt. Me still love the good Father God first. And tired of the word R.I.P. Little Mose coulda hear say me, but me just inna the Almighty. So me just need to walk without injury. Tell them say your life over death. Cause I don't never leave my side. Him guide me every step. So when the enemy arise, tell them
Life over death.
cause I don't never leave my side.
Come on, you get your ticket yet? The artist there, I know, you know.
When you walk so early, I'm in already to see the
you have tickets enough, Kamar.
Come back when me about 98. When me can't even walk straight. Oh yes, another thing me want to address. Why you want to leave me son fatherless? And put me poor mother in a distress. Go back and send your sister when name success. Tell them say your life over death. Cause I shall never leave my side and guide me every step. So when the enemy arise, tell them
Life over death.
cause I shall never leave my side. Tell them say life over death. Life over death. Jah never fail me yet.
Never.
Jah never fail me yet.
No.
Life over death. Tell them say
Life over death.
Yo, it's sweet. Nello vibes music on the hear that. Life for what it is. Life for the most valuable life. Valuable gift in a life, you understand? We have to cherish that. Yeah.
Different verse.
She's bad. She's bad. Why is that?
Everything.
Everything. Now I give them content. Let me give them content.
Diana Ralph. The artist are rehearse.
Rehearse? I'm going on a hearse.
You make me
Hey.
last Sunday.
Come on, tell her.
You can count on me. I will always be by your side. You can count on me. Anything you want me provide, you can.
Yeah, man, the vocal them up, man.
Girl, I'm gonna make you my bride. You can count on me.
Pass it up on them.
Girl, you can count on me. Like 3, 4, 5. Me and you oxygen, girl, me keep you alive, yeah. When you stress me, then you fit and fight like Siamese split, so we can't divide, yeah. You're not be beg a man a dime. Anything you want me do without tongue, you mind, yeah. My empress divine, me love you, girl, me now waste your time. You make me happy like fun day, on a Sunday. So me not go let your girl, me not go run away. Give your cheese, but me not go give your bun. So nobody listen nothing when nobody tongue say. Do me sharp like a knife. You never make it difficult for me to make a chance. And you take me to a higher heights, so me have to treat you right. You can count on me. I will always be by your side, you can count on me. Anything you want me provide, you can count on me.
Randall, Jerk Fest, this Sunday here.
Let me say it again.
You can count on me.
Hey, you are my number one. You come in on me life and make me a better man. So me nah go do your wrong, and you nah put a hand. Me nah go come along and mess with your emotion, girl. And you me a plan, take it the wedding band. That's a the foundation. You make me happy like fun day on a Sunday. So me nah go let you girl, me nah go run away. Give you cheese, but me nah go give you bun. So nobody listen nothing when nobody tongue say. Do me sharp like a knife. Are you alone more in my life, girl?
The man need a more energy, man. You know, see, in the house, man, there. You wait till he catch a stage.
I'll always be by your side, you can count on me. Anything you want me provide, you can count on me.
Silver, walk on, Silver. There, you know.
You can count on me.
Boy, what we said down there, sir.
You can count on me.
Girl, you can count on me. I will always be by your side. Girl, you can count on me. Anything you want me provide. Girl, you can count on me. I'm gonna make you my bride.
Boy. You can harmonize wind up, though?
Yeah.
What that shit?
Round and around.
Yeah.
Make you whistle and go round and around. Girl, it please me when you go round and around. Round and around. So wind up, girl. Wind up, girl. Climb up, girl. Wind up, girl. Find in a rough, girl. Wind up, girl. Climb up, girl. Wind up, girl. Climb up, girl. Wind up, girl. Climb up. Take your time, do not rush, girl. Wind up, girl. Climb up.
Hey.
Wind up. Pump a sting like the tree in the breeze. Would I love to sit up on your hands and your knees? You make me something tough like the ice where you freeze. Stop this me and come give me place. Girl, you make me blood pressure raise. Cause you hotter than 500 degrees. And your skin clean, you not have no disease. So, why you me a figures? When I roll it, girl, control it. Make me hold it, girl, when I roll it, girl. Like a ball, me a pull it, girl, when I roll it, girl, control it. Make me hold it, girl, when I roll it, girl. You make me want pull it. So wind up, girl, climb up, girl, wind up, girl, find in a rough, girl, wind up, girl, climb up, girl, wind up, girl, climb up, girl, wind up, girl, climb up, take your time, do not rush, girl, wind up, yeah, climb up, girl. I'm no competition, boy, you are the champion. You make me want buy you a mansion. When you shake up your booty like a pom-pom. And you may have to sanction. You wine give you check, you never get a wrong bang. So me that fit on in your number one. You no pop down like the bridge over London. When you brace it, me have to stand. When I roll it, when I roll it, like a ball, me a pull it, girl, when you roll it, girl, control it, make me hold it, girl, when you roll it.
Music sweet, man.
We have piece of the beat there.
Boy! Music there.
JT. Wagwan.
Feel like knocking again.
Knock it again.
We'll get a one try. We'll get a one try, right?
You do that already?
We'll get a one try?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Me have to win life for the get a one. Enough for them.
Yeah, we did better.
Enough for them.
Do some more then.
Alright. Blood clot, it's not even released.
That what I'm.
No, what's that? No, not like here, not like
Me
here.
not like coffee. Me not like coffee. Me just
Yo, dog, I'm short of that one.
Commercial, yeah.
Commercial, blood.
Yeah. You want your makeup, link up. NIQUE, the face beater. Yeah. All different prices. Yeah.
Now I'm at that hear this.
What?
Exclusive live.
Oh, yeah. That release it.
No.
I'm gonna make you sweat, make you sweat. Make get your body up like a furnace. I'm gonna make you sweat, make you sweat. You're not only body in a dance, girl, body in a bed. You have the boom wine where you mash up me head. It's like you want me to stand up on my third leg. Wine till me broke like egg. Girl, I'm gonna push it, push it, push it, push it some more.
Yes,
Every
Sam.
time when you touch your knees,
Jerk.
them a buckle like
Youth and Jerk Fest on the live.
Girl, I'm
Yeah.
push
Nello
it,
Vibes
push
live
it.
and many more.
Yeah, man, I got enough money.
Hey, mineral man, so me not fair run with the thing, man. You want a dog? What you want? Mongrel or you want Doberman?
Push it, push it.
You want a Doberman?
Goes out to all the mothers, you know? Yeah.
Cause I'm the mother one. Whoa, because me love your mama. Hey, me love me mama straight from me heart. I say me love me mama. Me say that loud and proud and me not take back me talk. Love me mama. She used to make sure say me no fall a friend on Skylark. That's why me love me mama. Hey, me love me mama straight from me heart. Been through a lot of hard time, but me never have to beg a man a dime. Me satisfied with whatever you could have find. No time I so sugar and water without the lime. Three where you have to split the little shilling where you get. Make sure none of we never go back hungry yet. And you change me nappy when me nappy did.
Pull.
Hey, who's that pull? Who's that pull?
I love the pull.
I want to do them.
I love the pull. Yo, you know. I'm going to pull up ready, you know. Yeah. Cash up.
Cause I'm my mother.
See that?
Hey, because me love me mama. Hey, me love me mama straight from me heart. I say me love me mama. Me say that loud and proud and me not take back me car. Love me mama. She used to make sure say me no fall a friend on Skylark. That's why me love me mama. Hey, me love me mama straight from me heart. Been through a lot of hard time, but me never have to beg a man a dime. Me satisfied with whatever you could have find. No sugar and water without the lime. Three where you have to split the little shilling where you get. Make sure none of we never go bed hungry yet. And you change me nappy when me nappy did wet. Mama don't worry cause everything soon come pass it. I say me love me mama. Hey, me love me mama straight from me heart. I say me love me mama. Me say that loud and proud and me not take back me talk. Love me mama. She used to make sure say me no fall a friend on Skylark. That's why me love me mama. Hey, me love me mama straight from me heart. You never mind waking up in the middle of the night when me a ball say me afraid and want you turn on the light. And you first teach me how to read and how to write and tell me say fi set me goals high like a satellite. Now me dep on me own and a long time me no see you. Me last one send mommy me with a kiki yo. As long as I'm around I will never let you down. You are my queen so me I let it be known. Say me love me mama.
Facebook, I'm not feeling myself, you know. Facebook. Real and true.
Up well left, you know? Yeah.
Now I feel myself, dog.
Yeah. Up left. Yeah.
Them suck your body fuck. Shit,
Up
here,
well
get it.
left.
How long now?
you got skills.
Thank you.
Me party anywhere.
Yeah.
As long as
Really?
they got them there. Whoa.
Oh, why you so?
Yeah, that I like.
Anyway, the girl them me a pull over and start a party right there. Mix liquor we a drink and a soda. Get drunk and no care. Nello vibes me no carry no bad odor. Me can put me and them in the air. DJ turn it up a little louder. Make the girl them sweat out them hair. You with a nice thing, get a bucket of ice. And you see a night great, that mean me frost twice. Me alright and me future right. Only thing when me need a more girl in a me life. Oh, that's a
Pull up.
Them no bad like me.
party anywhere.
Yeah,
As long as they get them there.
exclusive.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'ma tell them. Yeah. Hey.
Anyway, the girl them me a pull over and start a party right there. Mix liquor we a drink and a soda. Get drunk and no care. Nello vibes me not carry no bad odor. Me can put me and them in the air. DJ turn it up a little louder. Make the girl them sweat out them hair. The weather nice, me get a bucket of ice. And you see a night great, that mean me frost twice. Me alright and me future bright. Only thing when me need a more girl in a me life. Out of sight, they on a higher heights. The girl them pretty like a dozen paper light. Me woulda like the one in a the white. Become bubble for me like a buckle of Sprite. Me party anywhere without no fear.
Hey. Nah, no more. Party done. Lucky out.
Party can't do
Luck.
that.
What?
Ralph say, you with your bad.
Hey, listen to them.
What go on, Ralph?
A famous song, them, and me write them here.
Well, on it, then the part.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Give a fuck. Listen to me very carefully, people. It's not a bad thing for you to feel yourself. I feel my brain, make them sit there. I'm proud of myself and I'm proud of me too.
What you mean?
I feel good. Good.
Yeah. May I give them a rich producer sit down. Yeah.
No, I'm giving it one more. I'm giving it one more time.
You ready to get something? Tell Devon I say myself a gear.
Last time I do it. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Anyway, the girl them me a pull over and start a party right here. Mix liquor we a drink and a soda. Get drunk and no care. Nello vibes me not carry no bad odor. Me can put me and them in the air. DJ turn it up a little louder. Make the girl them sweat out them hair. The weather nice, me get a bucket of ice. And you see a night great, that mean me frost twice. Me alright and me future bright. Only thing when me need a more girl in a me life. Out of sight, they on a higher heights. The girl them pretty like a dozen paper light. Me woulda like the one in a the white. Become bubble for me like a buckle of Sprite. Me party anywhere without no fear. Me only one know say the girl them dead here any time of the year. Me no really care as long as me left with a pair. Short here all along here, on this me swear. A girl alone can change me gear. You hear? Anyway, the girl them me a pull
What
up.
have you done now?
I'm starting to party right here. Look how we are doing that.
What have you done right now?
Yeah.
I don't know when I'll do that.
So what I going to know, yeah, sir, if you want hear more or see more, I don't know it. You stand jerk fest
Talk to them.
this Sunday. Them say 2 to 10. You understand me I say? Yeah.
Land them. Lord
Yeah, me have to land them.
Yeah,
Watch out now. What you say now, Ral?
Can you come
Eh,
at the front for me to see
Don't play it.
I am?
But you know, you have to talk to me. Remember me.
I
can't-
double it. After much double it, you want.
You want a song there? Which one of them you want?
Oh, let that forgot say.
Eh? In Ral? You have to talk to me if you don't play it.
Hey!
You see me? And then me tell the artist what I go on and Ray and yeah.
Clear session.
But like how we know you a long time still, you know what I mean? But don't do that again. Don't link the artist, link me.
Can you come see how many pounds to say?
much pound you weigh? You weigh about 42 pounds. Better. How much you weigh?
41.
Damn, somebody know my son, man.
I'm 41, no, 42.
Alright. You mean?
42, man.
Yeah. Boy, a long time I not go live.
Yo, just touched down in the H2 in Houston, me there. Jerk Fest in the house. Sunday. After the 22nd of whatever month this is. September. We're there now. But listen, I bring it, cause the world need to know me. And I Houston, I give me the love first. So Houston, me there, you understand? New York people, them so know me in the time, you understand?
You're
work with me, as I say.
Please.
Yeah, man. Go on to the work. I have the song them put on phone of people. So I just structure and certain thing I work on. But I work myself and the song get them live and direct. I never vibes have enough bad song for me. You hear that? Yeah, man.
Ralph. I ain't cousin, I singer. Okay. Alright then, Ralph. Alright.
Right for now, boy. Dog, you want to get me in a trouble, Rasta. Ja, no, I'm manager, man. I'm manager, I'm manager. Yo. To that one, Friday. Big up on yourself on this wonderful Friday.
To that Friday?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. Me just ask you.
You can't check me.
No, Ralph, tell me say I sing, I say you must be a calendar too. So me you Ralph, don't worry yourself.
Alright, good man.
You reach back home or are you still cross yourself? Ralph good, I'm good.
I'm a general, man.
Yeah, I mean, man. Yo, Reggie, a long time I know Ralph, I know him from my maga, you know. Until him fat now, you know. And then me see what he ain't fat her.
You know him a long time then.
Long time, man.
Ralph think different, man. Ralph knows say, that's no question. I'm not question that, brother.
Yeah, man, as me I say a long time I not go live, you know what I mean?
I say, you make Robbins be a know me in Ralph, so I say a thing, you see me I say? Yeah,
I mean, Lassell. I want the blood clot. Yeah, man.
Robbins be a know, never. Well, as an artist, because they know me as me, you know, but... Yeah, respect.
But you mean life over there? Come talk to the people. Are your fans, man? You know?
How would I say to me?
You know, just my people are here. Look, read.
Tell them say a life over there.
You mean,
Sean Sanders. Oh, what going on, brother?
Talk to your people, man.
Right now, me hear them kind of low, but there, all the vibes in the H-Town, you know? Yeah, man. Natasha, you catch me late. You have to go watch this when I post it, when I save. Because right now,
when they post?
Yeah, when I post. Because you see me hear them fat, not to judge me. But
don't judge him.
Don't judge me. But just all the vibe, you understand?
How are you?
I want to go around this way, yo. With the blood clot.
Hey, you mean, son, come here, daddy.
Listen, the vibe's right. I'm going to on Jerk Fest.
Watch him now, yeah.
Jerk Fest, Sunday. You understand? I'm going to share the thing now. I'm going to bring the energy.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I need energy from the people, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes, my son.
But
15.
I have the tune them I put on phone.
17,
Swear.
18, 19,
I'm making them proud. All who believe in me, supporters them, because you don't know fans only come back when they're hot. So supporters me I deal with, you understand? So big up all my real supporters them who believe in me, you understand? Yeah, man. Yo, take back this thing.
You know somebody copyrighted,
30,
right?
boy.
Copyright one.
30.
You should have shared it to me.
Eh?
Me get
No, me copyright you just say. Long time I copyrighted. Me copyrighted. Oh, you remember me copyrighted? Say think a joke. Me copyrighted. Alright, look on chiching chicken them man there. A whole political slang him and people are use it all over the world and he not get $1.05. Yeah man, everything me say man and you say, yo, that but me just go down a place and just copyright it. You think a joke me I make? Sit up? Alright, go on.
Real talk. You know it?
Yeah,
It's
go.
making fart sounds.
Yeah.
Post that shit when I watch it.
Yeah.
I want to watch it.
What do you mean post make you watch in there? So in there?
No, I say watch it.
Yeah, boy, you're going to never there and know what
I
you
want
know.
to see it.
Yes, youth. So we have singers in the house, 2 singers, Nello Vibes, NIQUE.
You still alive?
And we are, yeah man.
Nothing came of it.
And DJ Son.
And DJ Son, yeah.
DJ son?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm daddy's son.
Right.
They sit up them.
Alright, talk. One more announcement. Remember me have tickets for Jerk Fest, right?
To show the guns.
some $20 tickets. Cause if you got the gate, cannot him say in the house, but me no know in the house what to do. A gate you go. When you got the gate and more. So all who want Jerkfest ticket for Sunday, this Sunday, like 23rd of September. Link up. Eh? The 29th? 23rd. You understand me? I say 8888 West Belford Avenue, Houston, Texas. You don't know? Oh, you watch me, Nello. What going on, Nello? A long time I don't see you. Eh? Alright, you artists have bad me up. Remember I'm pay me now, so I come off, so look more. See? We are going live tomorrow again.
Yeah,
you see me I say? A live we go tomorrow?
Yeah, man, we are going live. Never go dead. Live or whatever they say.
Alright, we are going live tomorrow. Live or live? Or live?
Live.
A live, may I go tomorrow?
You are going live?
Yeah, live. You might go live.
You think I go live tomorrow?
Yeah, man. So, don't say nothing.
Yeah, hang on, please.
I'm Daddy's little promoter son.
Right.
Let's go.
Oh, you so me just share it on my page then.
Yeah.
Let me see if you do.